In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and detach data disks to and from Azure virtual machines using the Azure portal. This process is vital for ensuring your virtual machines run efficiently, making sure they have the necessary storage or releasing storage resources when they're no longer needed. Let's get started with attaching a disk. First, open the Azure portal and navigate to your virtual machines section. From the list, you'll need to select the specific virtual machine you wish to modify. Once you're on the machine's management page, look to the menu on the left where you'll find a section labeled Settings. Under this section, click on Disks. This will open up the Disks blade, displaying all current disk configurations for your VM. At this point, you have the option to either attach a new managed disk or an existing one that's already part of your subscription. To attach a brand new disk, select Attach New and proceed to configure it. Here, you'll need to provide some details such as the disk's name, its size, and the storage type, which could be standard, premium, or another option that best fits your performance needs and budget. If the logical unit number, or LUN, doesn't auto-populate, you may need to assign one manually. Once everything is configured, click OK or Save. This action attaches the disk to your virtual machine. Keep in mind that simply attaching the disk isn't enough. Inside the VM, further steps are necessary to fully utilize the new disk. For Linux systems, this involves initializing, formatting, and mounting the disk. If your VM runs on Windows, you'll need to bring this disk online and assign a drive letter to access it. Make sure to complete these steps for seamless integration. Now, let's talk about how to detach a disk. Start by launching Azure Portal again and heading over to Virtual Machines. Select the VM from which you want to detach a disk and revisit the disks under the Settings menu. The list of currently attached data disks will appear. Find the specific disk you wish to detach. Next to its name, there should be a Detach icon, which often looks like a small X, or sometimes it's denoted simply as Detach. Clicking on this icon will prepare the disk for detachment. However, don't forget that the process isn't complete until you save your changes. So, after clicking Detach, make sure to click Save to commit this modification. The disk will then be removed from the VM, but rest assured, it will still exist within your subscription for future use if needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can swiftly and securely manage the data disks of your Azure VMs, ensuring your storage needs are met and optimized at all times. Thank you for watching, and happy managing in Azure.